This 2025 Heartland Milestone 386BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Heartland and features a CALGARY interior, sleeps 7. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, loft, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.